Pharmaceutical contract manufacturing requires seamless coordination between brand owners and manufacturing partners while maintaining the highest standards of quality, compliance, and on-time delivery. Managing multiple customers, product formulations, production schedules, regulatory documentation, and supply chains can be challenging without a centralized system. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline every stage of pharmaceutical contract manufacturing, helping organizations improve efficiency, maintain compliance, and deliver products with confidence. With PMTechERP, every business function is integrated into a single intelligent platform. From customer inquiries, contract management, formulation planning, procurement, batch production, inventory management, quality assurance, packaging, warehousing, and dispatch, every process is seamlessly connected. This eliminates manual operations, improves collaboration, and provides complete visibility across the entire manufacturing lifecycle. Advanced production planning enables manufacturers to manage multiple customer orders, optimize production schedules, monitor batch progress, and utilize resources efficiently. Real-time tracking allows production teams to monitor work orders, material consumption, and manufacturing performance, ensuring every project stays on schedule and meets customer commitments.